In this video, I'll show you how to replace skies in your photos using Canva's Magic Grab tool. Let's dive in. Start by opening a new Canva project. Go to Uploads, add your image, and drag it onto the design canvas. Resize the image to fit your workspace. Select the image and click Edit Photo. Navigate to Magic Studio and choose Magic Grab. Click the brush tool, then carefully brush over everything except the sky. Click Grab to isolate them. Now, go to the Elements tab and search for sky photos. Pick a new sky background you like. We'll use this one as an example. Resize the sky to cover your image. Finally, go to Position. Open the Layers panel. Send the new sky layer backwards so it sits behind your foreground elements. And there you go. Your photo now has a brand new sky. If this helped, subscribe for more creative editing tricks. Thanks for watching.